Alright, mistakes were made, and, let's not point fingers of what caught on fire and who messed up what. We're gonna try this again. So it also mentioned that my heat gun that I was originally using decided to eat itself and blow the fuse, so now we've got a new one. And I picked up some other little things along the way. Woohoo. Alright, let's show you what we got going on here. Heat gun. There's a shield in there that's wrapped with aluminum foil. I'm going to be checking temperatures in this area. We have a digital probe thermometer. And woohoo. So we're heating it up now. Now, I really should be preheating this to 250. But there's our fun little headlight. You can see the probe sticking down in the way. But yeah, should make for a decent makeshift oven. Alright, slight change of plans. Got it on its back now. Heat gun's blown in there. Got a little deflector shield. Let's take our headlight. Let's put him in. Goodbye, headlight. Adjust him over here in this corner. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now, we'll keep an eye on what's going on. We need to hold this around 230 for about 15-20 minutes or so. Slowly but surely getting there. Checking everywhere on the box, making sure we don't have any problems. Pretty cool back here, actually. Looking good, looking good. Nothing bad happening. Probe is reading 218. My cock timer is going. Oh yeah. Something I should probably mention. I am the thermostat on this. So if this is reading too high, 236 right now, just need to crack the door a little bit. And hope that things come back down maybe a little more on the door. Yeah, that's headed in the right direction. Woohoo. Something else I'd like to mention. These are invaluable for shoving it inside of the gap and just slowly separating. I know Morimoto sells these as headlight separators. Harbor Freight sells them as panel pliers. I would highly recommend picking up a pair. Right around 10 bucks. A little less than that at Harbor Freight, I believe. Alright, finally got the lens off. Trick. Precision screwdrivers. Lots of flatheads. Whatever you can use to get it started. I started back here at the corner. At this corner, because that's what was suggested to me. And after I got it pried open enough with those little screwdrivers, I used these panel clip pliers to kind of get in here and just spread. And that was just enough force to pry them open all the way around. Did a really good job. Now I can start cleaning this up. We'll get the new parts in here. Second one is baking. Just got to keep an eye on the temperature. Alright, round two. Just in case it's hot enough, we're going to re-put this guy back in here. Alright. So on the last one, started up here in the corner. Alright, he isn't hot enough. Beautiful. Another 7 minutes. Alright. Round 2. Let's see. Get this corner to pop out, then we're home free. Ooh, that's no bueno. Starting to get it. Alright. Probably have enough room. Ooh. There we go. That's what I want to see. It's not hot enough here. I don't think. Maybe it is though. Change tactics. So now I got this corner. Is it getting too hot? It is. It is. It's getting way too hot. All right. Back. it's drying. Just gotta get this corner. Come on. Yeah. So close. There we go. Now it wants to come out. Stupid corner. There we go. And here we are. Let's see. So note that this top part comes off real easy. You just kind of pull out while it's still warm. Shut her down. That only took forever. Yeah, these are going to be fun to refurbish. Okay, it's been a couple of days and I've been lazy. Time to sandpaper these lenses, which I don't think you guys really want to watch. Well, I'll get started. 120 grit, 400 grit, 800 grit, 1200, 1500, 2000 grit. One pass with compound, two passes with compound, one pass with polish, second pass with polish. Now, is the finish on this perfect? No. Is it about 1,000,000 times better than the other one that I haven't even started on? Oh yeah. I think we'll call that good. Well, cleaning up the lenses only took forever. But I think they're fine. Now we've got to get on to these actual headlight housings. So, dealing with these headlight housings, you would think that you could just easily pull it off like this. Not exactly. These little tabs do kind of pop out from the actual housing here, but on the bottom, we have to perform a little Dremel action there and over here. Over here. I'm going to show you exactly what to do on this one.